Induction cookers have gained popularity in households due to their ability to cook food at a faster rate compared to traditional thermal flame cooking. The unique feature of induction cooking is the utilization of magnetic currents to directly heat the pots and pans instead of the cooktop. If you're interested in upgrading your cooking experience, we've put together a list of the top 12 best induction cookers in the Philippines, along with the leading brands in the country, which can help you achieve this goal. Imarflex IDX 2000's Induction Cooker. The Imarflex Induction Cooker Slim Type IDX 2000s is perfect for cooking large quantities of food regularly. It can cook 2 meals at once, handle pots and pans weighing up to 20 kilograms, and offers 10 temperature settings. This heavy-duty, low-energy device generates sufficient heat even at its lowest temperature. Philips HD 4911 Induction Cooker. The Philips HD 4911 is a fast-heating induction cooker with 5 power levels that preserve the nutritional value of your food. It offers 5 healthy cooking menus, a sensitive touch panel, and a cool-to-touch surface for comfort. Its 2,100-watt high power ensures fast cooking that seals in nutrition instantly. Imarflex IDX 3250B Induction Cooker. The Imarflex Induction Cooker IDX 3250B offers double induction for faster and more convenient cooking of dishes up to 20 kilograms. It has 10 power settings for precise heat control and features auto-off, overload protection, and child lock for user safety. Hanabishi HIC90 Induction Cooker. The Hanabishi HIC90 is an affordable induction cooker with 5 cooking functions that can cater to your cooking needs. It offers 80% cooking efficiency, adjustable power levels, and time controls, with an LED display. The high-quality ceramic plate has an overheat auto cutoff feature for safety. Tough Mama NTMIC1 Induction Cooker. The Tough Mama NTMIC1 Induction Cooker is a reliable companion for travelers, ensuring a pleasant journey with well-heated meals. It has a superior burner, high-quality ceramic induction hob with adjustable temperature settings, a user-friendly control panel, and 7 cooking modes. If you're searching for a gas stove alternative, you should consider getting an induction cooker. This kitchen appliance offers various features that can make your daily cooking routine easier and more efficient. From its safety functions to the different cooking programs available, it's a convenient option for all potential users. If you want to watch more product reviews and recommendations, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps us a lot to create more quality videos. Thanks for watching.